Ochalaba okwanjula n'embaga.
Mukwano kulikayo mu bulango mu kaseera kano nkugamba nti ate kati tugenda mu mbaga yaabwe okwanjula kwa bokulabye embaga yaabwe nga bwe nagambye yabadde wa Bobi Wine ate nga basizeewo ne bakola obufumbo bwa kooti. Obufumbo bwa kooti kwe buli nnyo olw'ensonga nti buli internationally recognized nti ne bogenda mu nsi yeewa n'olaga obufumbo bwa kooti babukiriza wabula n'amakanisa gaffe oba amasinzizo abantu bwe bamaliriza okukubirayo ebirayiro baddira amanya ne bagatwala mu kooti ne baregisteringa obufumbo obwo n'olwekyo obufumbo bw'ekkanisa Mukama babuwadde omukisa ate ne babutwala ne muki ne mu mateeka. Bano basizeewo okukola bwa nira wali ku old alieri waggulu erugogo era bwe batyo ne bagenda ne bekwisa ebifaananyi ebusaabala. Sharitas yamukozeko buli kimu ne gowns byonna ebisinga yenkunyumiza byaki laba omukwano laba okwagala laba essanyu laba okweyagala nange bampadde ku ssanyu ne nninnya ku lyato nzaani Choba nanyumiddwa nnyo okitegeera nze nsanyukirako mmwe abanga Shaita nawe jangu tie mukolo gwannyonyi Shaita nawe jangu nenninya munyonyi ate sibowa atugende ku mukolo ogwo. Congratulations dear Fiona Yens.
Well, you don't know love is in the air. If you have a lover, put your one in the air.
Muchalani omubwansi
Muchala Yens omubwansi
nebyenzize ndabanza gye buvudeko kati njikaka something nakubera nawe naye kulira bulungi leero biroto bijje bitukirije leero walayikulira bulungi leero bulanga obulamu obutandise leero
okuva kululinga nkukambanyabo omutima gwange wamenya kebo sagala mutima gwange kuzanya tepo sagala obanga onjagala leero mbulire ate bw'obanga ompenda ntwalo.
The bride and the bride's friends. I'm not the bride, I'm the bride's sister. I'm not the bride, I'm the bride's sister. I'm not the bride, I'm the bride's salonist, makeup artist, TV presenter, video photography, and here comes the bride.
Kankwangale bona kibalume omutima gwange nkuwadde baby. Your love is 1 in a million. Omukwano gwogwe gusingayo muwomu naye kulira bulungi leero biroto bijje bitukirije leero walayipulira bulungi leero buliranga obulamu obutandise leero.
Mpima DP nice your ID nasi wa Agnes ID This is a monogamous marriage by nature. You understand English? A bit. But you understand what I'm saying? Yeah? Okay, this is a monogamous marriage by nature. One wife, one husband. You should be 18 years and above. Should not be related to each other. Shouldn't be in a subsisting marriage. Must be between a man and a woman. It's for a lifetime, except for death or divorce. Have you understood me? Can give him the passport. I understand that you, James and Fiona, come here for the purpose of becoming man and wife. Know you that by the public taking of each other as man and wife in my presence, and in the presence of the persons now here, and by the subsequent attestation of that taking, by signing your names to that effect, you become legally married to each other. although no other rite of a civil or religious nature shall take place, and that this marriage cannot be dissolved during your lifetime, except by a valid judgment of divorce. And if either of you, before the death of the other, shall contract another marriage, while this remains undissolved, you be thereby guilty of bigamy and liable to punishment for that offense. You've understood? Bigamy is when you contract another marriage with someone else before you've divorced or before one of you has died. It's punishable by the laws of Uganda by imprisonment of not more than 5 years. Understood? You can stand on your feet with your rings.
All persons here present to witness that I, Ottensmeier Jens, do take your Namugambe Fiona to be my lawful wife.
Okay, can you
Yes.
put a ring?
Okay.
You want to put on the thumb?
Right. In Germany is here married. Okay.
Can you take your vow, please?
So,
I start.
Yeah.
I call upon all persons here present to witness that I, Namugambe Fiona, do take up you, sweetheart Jens Ottensmeier, to be my lawful husband.
By the powers vested in me, I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss the bride.
For me, and darling, just dive right in and follow my lead. Well, I found a girl, beautiful and sweet. Oh, I never knew you were that someone waiting for me. 'Cause we were just kids when we fell in love. Now knowing what it was, how will I give you up this time? Darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I own, and in your eyes you're holding mine. And baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When you said you looked a mess, I whispered underneath my breath, but you heard it. Darling, you look perfect tonight. Well, I found a woman stronger than anyone I know. She shares my dreams. I hope that someday I'll share her home. I found a love to carry more than just my secrets, to carry love, to carry children of our own. We are still kids, but we're so in love, fighting against all odds. I know we'll be alright this time. Darling, just hold my hand. Be my girl, I'll be your man. I see my future in your eyes. Baby, I'm dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When I saw you in that dress, looking so beautiful, I don't deserve this. Darling, you look perfect tonight. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. I have faith in what I see. Now I know I have met an angel in person, and she looks perfect. I don't deserve this. You look perfect tonight.
Mukwane bali kubera ngoli mklaba Delta TV tukole banaye tuli wawelu. Tuli outside banange. Elanga tuli kumbaga ennungi ennyo ey'omukyala akolebwako Sharitas by the World. Ayambazidwa Sharitas by the World. Banange omwana ono mulungi, alina eriiso, alina akazigo, ate nga yaleese muzungu. Obulungi bwe tebwamusala. Banange yegwe mukyala ani ku dakiika eno?
Muchalayen's Otens Maya, Fiona.
Banange, how are you, sir?
I'm fine, thank you.
How is your day today?
The day, it's the best day
I know.
in my life.
I know.
Yes.
Congratulations.
Thank you for
How
this.
do you feel?
I'm feeling good.
I know.
Very, very good.
Very, very good.
It's a nice day.
It's a nice day.
Yeah.
So after the introduction, you took your wife to Germany.
Yes. Yeah.
And you've taken care of her so well. She looks so good.
Okay.
Look at her cheeks.
Yeah.
Okay. What more did you know about her when you took her to Germany?
This is a very good girl, yeah?
She's a very good
She
girl.
has a good character.
Yeah.
She have a good. She's beautiful.
Beautiful.
Yeah. And she's yeah.
Fun.
Fine.
And she's happy.
Yeah.
Kulika ye Germany.
Banaye navudde Madam Sharita. Webale kunsabira.
Omusajja akulabiridde.
Ekitiibwa kya Mukama.
Etama.
Bannange nsunako.
Biki bye wamuzuulamu naawe ng'ogenzeeyo?
Omwana wattu ono, he's so loving.
Yeah.
He's caring. I should leave the rest to him.
I know.
But he's a perfect package for me.
Bambi, that is so good.
Yeah.
Kale mukwano, omweraba wa myaka 5 okuva kati.
Twelaba nga tuzadde abalongo emirundi 3.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
You're going to make him a salongo.
A salongo.
Hi, salongo.
I say longo?
Do you know what salongo means?
No.
Okay.
Father of twins.
The father of twins.
Yeah.
Ah,
She's going to make you the father of twins.
yeah.
Okay.
Yes. Father of
Hi, salongo.
I say longo. Hi.
Nalongo.
Wangi Madam
Oli
Sharita.
otya?
Bannaye ndi bulungi.
Kayimba ki koyagala omuweereza olwaleero?
Akayimba kenyinza omuweereza omwami wange olwaleero. The song I want to dedicate to you is Ono ye love commissioner yantambuza anyoya konkona konkona.
Bitimba bitegeera simanyi.
Yasooke akayimba kenjagala okumukubira.
Yeah.
Omwami wange mwagala nnyo. Omwami wange antambuza. Omwami wange anjagadde. Anazizaako ennaku. Thank you, my husband, for loving me.
Thank you for loving me.
Thank you for being real.
Yes.
Thank you for being perfect. Shilibedi Shatsi.
I love you too.
Ekigambo ki?
I love you, my Shatsi. I love you, my honey. I love you so much. And I promise to love you always.
Amen.
Yeah.
Too.
Okay, thank
abawala
you.
abali abaweddemu essuubi obagamba ki?
Abawala abali eyo abaweddemu essuubi luli nabagamba nakati era nziramu bagamba
Yes.
nti balemereko tebagwamu ssuubi akadde kaabwe kajja tuuka ate era basabe nnyo buli kimu kisoboka
Olese muzungu.
ndese mu Germany ndese mu Germany
Sharita's Bridal World kuyisiza.
bannaye Sharita's Bridal World sigenda gamba nti empisiza etya wabula yasooka n'empisa bulungi mu mikolo egyasooka
Yes.
n'enkaka nekinkaka munda okomawo enkozeeko bulungi balina customer care okutandika ku bakozi b'omunda okutuuka ku Madam Sharita bankozeeko bulungi balina customer care ye muntu akubirako Madam Sharita gwendi naye wano nti omugole oli bulungi nti kino wakifunye kino tonna kifuna banna yanyambye ku bintu bingi nnyo mu kutegeka omukolo. Madam Sharita, thank you so much. Thank you for being thank you for everything, Madam Sharita.
I love you too. I wish you the best in your marriage and I'm so happy for you mukwano.
Thank you so much.
Njagala ompite ku mukolo gw'abalongo.
Amin.
Tukube enduru.
Amina, Madam Sharita. Eri ate ebirala nnyo. Naye nja kuyita one day.
Naye mwana gwokoze embaga y'okumazzi.
Bannange, it has
Okimanyi nti
been.
oli ku lyato. Laba abeeri.
It has always been my dream.
Naye gwe ono omwana ayina ebisima bannange nabeeri bayi mutulaba bayi tuli mazzi tuli ku lyato anaye kibalume bannaye abakazi baba n'emikisa gyabwe naye ne mwana muwala Fiona Otis
Bana ekitiibwa kya Mukama.
mukube kama omwami wo.
I love you, baby.
Yeah, I love you too.
So when are you guys going back?
When I'm going back,
With her.
No, for me, I'll come later.
yeah, come
I'll
later.
come later.
Won't you be missing her?
Yeah,
I know. Tell her I'll be missing you, baby.
I'm missing you, baby.
I will miss you too, and so much, baby.
Khaledi.
Half year. It's a half year. I think. Well, we
Is
go,
there any song you want to sing for her?
For me, baby.
sing for you
A song.
a song,
A love song.
a love song. Oh, this is crazy. What is a love song?
Sing for me, love commissioner.
Yeah, but I
Oh no, you love. We'll sing together. Oh no, you love commissioner.
I'm your love commissioner.
Commissioner.
Commissioner? I'm your love commissioner?
Ananga, I'm your love commissioner. Ndowooza okiwulidde banaye, congratulations Fiona. Nammwe abagole mwenna abakyala baliyo temugwamu ssuubi. Naye nga tuli ku mazzi. Tuli excited. Kibalume. Delta TV tukole program Okwanjula n'Embaga. Trafficking tumidde, running tumidde, Lubega kutumidde Kobambi n'abalala bonna, Barbara. Twagala nnyo tuli ku mazzi.
Chikole bocho, tabula dagala mubiso bocho, tonola mufumita mumadokta, kamata fumite daga.
Uganda, a number one Musansa Class International VVIP. Musabara!
Okyalaba Okwanjula n'Embaga.